On the front, you have a single 20-pound propane tank. This is just like your regular barbecue tank, so just turn it to the on position. Directly behind, you do have 2 deep cycle batteries that are both set and ready to go for you. You do have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 in each corner of the trailer. There is a 3/4 inch crank that will be inside the trailer for you. Hot water heater, the switch for that is on the inside of the trailer. City water connection is the bottom one here. That's where the campsite water is going to go. Fresh water is right above that, so that's where you're going to fill your tank. Now to drain this tank, there's that little white cap right there. That's how you're going to drain the fresh water tank. On the side here, 30 amp cord, so there is 25 feet of cord in the hole there. Black water flush, this is an aid to help you flush out your black water tank. Just hook your hose up to that and have the black water valve pulled. Black water valve is the bigger of the 2 valves here, so black water is on the right hand side, the gray water is on the left hand side for you. Cable and satellite hookup is on the back. Full size spare on the back. Outside shower is also back here. You have hot and cool taps there for you. On the side here in this compartment, that's where you have a fridge there, a little cupboard. There we are. So this fridge here is only a 110 only fridge, so you do have to be plugged into hydro for this one to operate. On the side here you have 2 110 volt plugs, so you can plug anything that you wish to plug into there. On the side at the front here you do have what they call solar on the side, so this is by Furrion. Any RV style of panels will plug into that. We personally use Go Power. So as soon as we come in the trailer here at the front, so the bed operation, these cushions here, you can just lay them down flat, just like so, and then you just lay down the bed. To unlock your bed, you're just going to push, lifting this pin to the up position just like that, and then this guy here folds down, and then you'd flop your bed down onto that. Lifting back up, same thing, lift back up, and then again you're just going to line up the pin, locks it into place. You do have 110 and USB port on both sides of the bed. Stove, so stove pretty straightforward for you. So the glass top does need to be flipped up and standing up, just like so. Now one thing with these, for the igniter to work, you do have to turn on the lights. So you press that button there, and then you turn your valve over, and you can hear it ticking. Once it lights, you let go. Furnace, so furnace is down here at the bottom. The thermostat for that is right at the foot of the bunk here. So the top left, just pushing this white little lever here over to the right, and that will set your furnace to the on position. Air conditioner controls are on the air conditioner itself for you. In the sink here, so we have 2 sets of keys for you. This brown bag here is the owner's manual bag. There's your wireless radio, USB charger. And then you have the cutting boards here to fill up the hole. Fridge operation, so fridge has a travel lock, so you just flip this guy over just like so. Fridge opens up underneath here. So 3 is in the middle, and then just pressing your set button to get it colder or hotter. If you press and hold the set button, that will turn the fridge to the off position. In the bathroom, everything's pretty straightforward and simple in here for you. You do have your main GFI right behind the sink here. So if you're ever having any issue with hydro, that's where you'd go to reset it. Toilet is a foot flush, so that means it's right there. So you just push down on that. That will give you water, and push down all the way. That will evac. Each bunk does have its own light. So there's one up there. The other guy's down here at the bottom there for you. Underneath the fridge, this is your converter. So you press the center of the top here, that opens up for you. On the left hand side are all your 110 breakers, all on your right hand side are all your 12 volt fuses. Smoke detector is up on the roof there, so that is a 9 volt battery, so do remember to change that every season. Down beside the stove there, that's your LP carbon dioxide detector. When you have a green light on it, it means that it's good to go. If it's ever faulted, it's going to be red and beeping at you. If you have any questions, you can give us a shout at 519-371-0370, or you can email us at info@terrys with an S trailer.ca.